going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in right now. I am pulling up at the Legacy Center at the Big Brother Anonymous. Gonna go in and listen, get some seeds planted in me, maybe encourage some other brothers, and enjoy the information and the wisdom, knowledge that I will be receiving today, family. So I just wanted to check in. Haven't went live on my Instagram in a while, so I'm actually here early today. So I'm actually just walking because I just drove here. What's up, family? What's going on? So I'm outside the Legacy Center in East Point, Atlanta, Georgia. What's going on, family? Get some food. I just had did a video a little while ago talking about building our legacy, and I was just thinking about how when you're building your legacy, you have to accomplish you have to accomplish it by setting small goals for yourself. And when you set those small goals for yourself, you gain more confidence to overcome and do bigger goals. So the goal is to, set those weekly goals or those monthly goals that turns into 6 months and yearly goals that gets bigger, and then you understand the concept and you have more strength when you're building your legacy, when you're doing your thing, because don't nothing happen overnight, family. People might make it look like that, but it don't happen overnight. Everything is a work ethic, man. Everything. So it ain't like it happens overnight. If that's what you're thinking, it's not it. Literally, you know what I mean? But you never know, you know what I mean? You never know what can happen once you apply a little work ethic. So just keep that in mind. Just wanted to say that this morning. Hope everybody having a good day. Feels good out here today. Actually feels pretty good out here. Feels pretty nice out here this evening. What's going on, family? What's going on? So it feels pretty good right now. I just noticed behind me is a welding shop. See that shop back there? I'm gonna make sure I go over there and peek my head in and see what they doing. Pass out one of my cars, network or something, you never know. That's good to know that's what they do, because I'm always networking, so I like to see what kind of networking we can do. So just wanted to check in, family. Hopefully everybody doing good. Y'all keep getting your hog on. I should be checking in a little later. Hold on.